Okay, this is the last, our last trip here for 2020. It's November 1st. Last night was Halloween. And we're gonna kind of close it for the season. Winter is coming. And we did what we pretty much did what we had planned to do with the windows. We got them reset, refinished, and the casings on the exterior. Hega's inside right now packing the frames with insulation. This really nice wood fiber natural insulation, which is kind of old-fashioned and environmentally friendly. So there's plenty of work still to do on these damn things. After the snow melts and things start getting warmer, there's only one coat of paint on them. Obviously there's not a sill or a bottom casing on the top window here because of a lot of little finicky details in that window that I have to spend more time on sunny days working with. But for the most part, we're really pleased with it. And it looks a lot better. In a way, it looks exactly the same as it always did. But if you get up close and you know what we did, it looks tons better, tons cleaner. I think the fact that they're pretty much sitting, flush to the outer wall looks really good. Yeah. And the tedium and finicky nature of getting these windows rehung and cleaned was just, I don't know, I can't overstate it. This one's really crooked and warped, which bugs me, but I'll fix that. I'll fix that later. And these two I installed first before I changed my mind about the detail where the top piece, the sort of lintel-like piece, is wider than the side rails. But I can trim the sides down next year. Okay, what else? Anything else happen? No, Hega's done a ton of work out in the field clearing it. And we had a big burn last night, which was fun, but difficult because everything was so wet. We got a lot of work done in the garage, but the water and wind-driven rain is just a pain in the ass, and I really worry about how it's going to look, the wood on the interior that I wanted to keep. I oiled it and sanded it and want to keep it exposed when I'm finally done. I'm afraid there's going to be a lot of damage. I gotta pull that tarp down and secure it again before we leave. Anyway, we'll see. There's only so much I can do. I'm kind of exhausted at this point. Alright, so inside we've got Hega on the second to last window.
And last window.
You did the one upstairs?
Oh, but that's already done, isn't it?
No.
Okay.
This is more talking than you've ever done, I think. You want to say something about what you're doing?
I am just putting shredded out wood into the cracks. All natural insulation.
You pretend like you're talking to your kids.
That's how I talk to my kids.
No, it's not. Anyway, this looks really great. I get a look at it here. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. It's packed real tight. Feels really good. And if there weren't so many other cracks visible through the walls inside here, I think we would really feel a difference already in the draftiness. I think we do, actually. Maybe it's just psychological. But the fact that you can't see through these holes anymore is pretty dramatic. This one is really working against us. But it was a good year. It was a good year, right, Hega?
It was a good year.
And we don't have to do the windows again. Is an experience that we, I think, built a lot of character. We don't ever want to do it again.
Never say never.
No. All right, is that it? It's your last chance for 2020.
Did you look at the hatch door?
I have before.
Okay. Alright, well, I guess that's it then.
Alright, I think we're getting better and better at this difficult, time-consuming restoration type tasks, and I'm getting worse and worse at narrating them. Anyway, our kids will enjoy it. Bye.